believe it or not, birds are also pollinators. They're also propagators. They propagate plants, right? They may not act like bees and butterflies do, but they are helpful creatures too in our garden. So I am making a bird's nest, and I went through a few ideas and then I landed on this. I am using this. It's like a sleeve that you can put a vase into or a flower pot. It's made out of cork. So I'm using it to make a bird's nest. And I painted it a while back. I use one of these bits to drill a hole in here, right? So now the cork is left, let's say, raw. And so what I'm gonna do is just use my spray here and spritz it. It's a green colored paint. I'm coating it because I want it to resist water a bit and not rot easily. There we go. Right now, down here, I want something for the birds to be able to land on. I don't want to put this on anything like a shelf because I don't want any chipmunks or squirrels to be able to sit on it. So all I'm gonna do is use a small piece of dowel, and I just need to cut this. Let me see, what do I have here to cut it? I don't have anything here to cut it, so I may just use my hammer and just break a piece off. Yeah, there we go. Right, and I have used this drill bit here to put a hole in my bird's nest. There we go. And sticking too much. That's it. So this is what the bird can land on. And I might just spritz this too. Yeah. So now some of the green paint actually caught this, but that's okay. I'm okay with that because what I'm gonna do is use this wooden plate to cover this. All right. Now before I put this to the nest, before I cap the nest off, I am gonna go ahead and I am gonna drill a hole in the center. Okay, there we go. Now I have some cord here. I am gonna get a piece of cord. I should have a pair of scissors. Now I am gonna go ahead and cut a piece of this cord that I bought at the dollar store. Okay, where does it start? I thought it started here. No, it doesn't start there. This is where it starts. Okay, so I'm gonna hang this baby, and I want to give it quite a bit of cord. That's it. I'm just gonna cut this here. Then I am gonna push the rope through. I'm doubling the rope and pushing it through. And my hole is not quite big enough. So I'm gonna make my hole a little bigger. This drill bit is bigger. So let's do this one. Okay, there we go. It's barely bigger. Okay, let's see if the cord will pass through here. And I don't want it too big, the hole, because I don't want, yeah, there we go. So it's through. And what I'm gonna do is tie a knot on the inside here. I'm gonna make sure it's tied properly because I don't want it to come apart. There we go. There we go. There we go. And I'm gonna pull you up just like so. Right? And now I'm gonna take my birdhouse. And the reason why I am turning it down like this is because if I turn it like this, water would sit on top here. I want the water to run off. And so that's why I'm turning it like this. And it overhangs, which is a good situation. I like that. The next thing I'm going to do is get my drill bit. Now I'm not going to be drilling, I am going to be screwing. So I am going to use, these are 1.5 inch screws. I'm going to use 4. And I am just going to line my thing up because the edge is pretty wide. The edge of the sleeve that I'm using to make the birdhouse is pretty wide. So I'm just going to screw into it. See? The one thing I'm thinking is I have some 2-inch screws. I think I'm gonna use, oh no, guys, it's not lined up how I want it to be. I want it to be kind of equal on all sides. That didn't feel too equal. Let's put this at the front here, so. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can get 2-inch screws instead, but I think I have all 1.5 inch here. So I'm just gonna use what I have. I may end up using more screws. That's good. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna end up with 6 screws. I think so. The more the merrier. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a knot in the middle here. So if I choose to hang it like this, I can. If I choose to hang it like this, I can. And I'm actually looking at this and I'm thinking, I'm just gonna spritz some more green paint to kind of break up the yellow. I don't mind the yellow, but it's a bit loud. So let's just do a thing like this. And this is a good one because it looks like the bark of a tree. And that is our bird nest, our bird house. There we go. Okay, let's see how I'm gonna set up the ladder. Oh, that's pretty easy. We're going up there. That's good. That is good. Here is our new birdhouse. That is so cool. I am liking it. Drop it in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I hope I'm getting it because right now the sun's in my eye. I can't see what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. There we go. I think that's good. I think that's very good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and yeah, subscribe, because those are ways that you can help my channel to grow. I'll catch you in the next video.